picture here is the conceptual drawing that was used on all of our architectural drawings and things like that to give you a comparison of where we are today. The same angle type of thing, so we are getting there and making great progress as we move along. This is the wall from the parking lot, the tall section, and of course the auditorium. The section to the right is the classroom, the next section is the band classroom on the back side there. Windows are starting to go in. This is on the left picture is the hallway down toward the band room and the sort of where the chorus room is. And the picture on the right is what we call Main Street, right above the new restroom. Looking into the existing part of the school. The top part of the glasses are looking over top the girls' locker room, but that is over top the new restroom in the Main Street. On the back hallway, where the classrooms are, you see all the windows are in with the frame. It's most of the glass is in too. The door has not been placed up yet, but as you see on the right-hand picture, that's a shot of what we're looking at now as well. And other things, like I said, a lot of times you don't see unless you're walking through there. The left picture is all the HVAC equipment on top of over top of the new cafeteria, as well as some electrical wiring being pulled into the boxes, and this is back in the band equipment room. In addition to that, back over Thanksgiving break on that Wednesday, we shut the power off to that back half of the school, put in 2 disconnects where Morse Electric installed the disconnects. So now we can control the power within the construction area and part of the school. So when you need to install new electrical equipment, things like that, we no longer have to rely on AEP to kill the power of the transformer. So that was a big, huge success that we can control the destiny. Now we have a lot more control of when we cannot do those type of things. So all those things are taking shape. Over the next few weeks, several things will be occurring. Some minor brickwork is continuing out on the cafeteria end. We hope to get that brickwork done. And the steel erectors are in this week, putting the roof over top the existing entranceway. We had some issues there that they have worked out with engineering. So we hope to have everything capped off in there over about Saturday or maybe Monday of next week. They were working this weekend from what I understand. As well as, if you remember walking through the addition, they end up toward the coach's office, and they end up we have a nice skylight up there right now, but they're closing all that in hopefully this week. So they're doing that. A lot of things going on, a lot of electrical work, and they actually today, I'll have pictures next month, they actually set the HVAC units today on the back part of the, over top of the classrooms. So that was another big event that's going on. Oh, here, sorry. I didn't know where the break was in my pictures. And this is the shop and auditorium. This is looking from the flat part of the auditorium seating area, looking up on the stage. As you can see, most of the building, particularly in the auditorium and the classroom parts, have had the block primed. And this is in the auditorium, of course, they got the first coat of black paint on there. And, wait to get some more finishing work done. Most of the HVAC work is done there. The electricians are in there now, installing all electrical wiring for lights and those type of things. Sprinkler systems are in there also this week. And in addition to that, they also started this week putting the catwalk up. Going across the auditorium, so about probably 10 to 15 foot in the seated section from the stage will be a catwalk all the way across there where they can adjust the lights and those type of things. Where in the existing auditorium we had to install scaffolding, climb up the scaffolding, and it was not the best of situations. This is the ground view back on 11/1/2023. Jameson Lewis's drone, and this is a drone shot back on I think December the 5th, and it gives you an idea of what the construction footprint looks like from overhead with the new addition out there and the new cafeteria sort of at the bottom of the stage. You see that like 45-degree angle and the staggered steps where the addition comes in and the cafeteria and that wall where the cafeteria, all the students, everything will be sitting to eat, as well as the new, if you followed it up the hallway, up the hall there, you can see the roofs coming in. It was called Main Street. So a lot of improvements, a lot of advancements this over the last few weeks. And still a ways to go, but we'll continue making progress.
Last week, it is resting comfortably under some blankets with the weather temperatures. The forms you see have been removed, and they did a monolithic pour, which basically means they poured the footers and the floor at the same time. That will be uncovered sometime later this week, and then next Monday they will begin placing the steel gravel. And there is the pour that started at 6 inches of finish in the concrete. And that looks like glass floor. Okay, it was cut, and then they immediately covered it to make sure that it was protected.
Roof of the existing building, continue electrical, mechanical, continue the painting aspect, and then like Dr. Hood said, beginning erection of the field house.
And then the doors for the auditorium actually came today, so they'll start putting those in this week.